With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, in this question, we are given the statement. A cylinder which is having a circumference of 8 centimeters and length 21 centimeter, it rolls without sliding for 4.5 seconds. Over here, the circumference is given of the cone. Circumference of cone is given, and circumference of the cone is same as the circumference of circle, which is 2 times pi r. If we put the values, 2 multiply 22 over 7, circumference of cone is 8 centimeters, multiply r. So we have to just find its value, the radius. We can find the value of radius. So radius equals to 8 multiply 7. We have to do the opposite operation, and 2 multiply 22. If we simplify this, 2 times 4, we have to simplify, and 4 multiply 7 over 22 equals to radius. We get 2 multiply 7 over 11. This would be our radius, which is 14 over 11 centimeters. This is the radius of our cone. Now if we further simplify, and the length, which is the height, also given, height of cylinder. This is the radius and height of the cylinder. It is also given to us, which is 21 centimeters. Now we have to calculate in 4.5 seconds how much area will it cover. So when any cylinder rolls, it covers curved surface area. It covers curved surface area. So curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. We have to just put the values. 2 multiply 22 over 7. Radius is 14 over 11. Height is 21 centimeters. Just we have to plug in the values. 2 multiply 22 over 7 multiply 14 over 11 multiply 21. 7 can divide this at 2. 11 divide this at 2. So 8 multiply 21 for our question. 8 multiply 21 is 168. This is in one revolution. In one revolution, we have this much of area. So in 9 revolutions, we have 168 multiply 9, and this would be in 4.5 seconds. We have 9 revolutions. So just we have to do 168 multiply 9, which is 1512 centimeters square in 4.5 seconds, and 9 revolutions. We have 1512 centimeters square, and that would be our answer for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.